Dinesh is such a genuine dude. He's real about who he is, and what you see is what you get. So, Mona, I hope you're happy with what you got.
Right here, on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I. We see it now, the story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now, nothing could be better. You and me, chasing down forever after. This truth, these words that we have spoken, giving purpose to the hope that we have found. There's proof in the days that lay before us, finding meaning in these moments playing out. We see it now, the story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now, nothing could be better. You and me, chasing down forever after. The story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now, and nothing could be better. You and me, chasing down forever after. Forever after, chasing down forever after. Caught up in the moment, should've never told you. A little too much to drink. Love is such a strong word, don't know where the lines blurred. It's making me start to think.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have all been waiting for. If you all can please rise, I would like to present to you for the first time as husband and wife, Dinesh and Mona.
I know you feel it too. You know you feel it too.
But Hina and I, we wish both of you a very happy and prosperous journey in a pursuit of happiness in your beautiful life ahead.
So on behalf of all of us, I'd like to wish you all a good couple years. No, but seriously, all the best with your future endeavors. You know, we're all here for you.
Mona and Dini, I couldn't be happier for you both to finally be able to make this official and celebrate your love for each other today. I love you both so much.
Can we just give a round of applause to how beautiful Mona looks tonight? Denny, I must say, you also cleaned up well, man. I didn't know Under Armour made suits. I'm so happy for you two, and so grateful to be part of this special moment in your lives.